Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amelia. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about trimming my natural hair. But first, I wanted to give a little backstory. So this is my hair, June 2021. I was just getting off my birth control. I've been on it for years and my hair had just completely changed. I don't think I've ever shown you guys these photos, but basically my hair was just two different textures. It was literally like growing out a perm all over again. I contribute this drastic change to my hair texture because of my birth control, and that was like the only major thing I had stopped completely taking at the time. So here we are. I just decided to completely chop it off. It was the first chop I've really ever done in my life. I've never had my hair this short before, so these are the results of that. A great cut, beautiful, loved it. So here we are now, February 22, and my hair is growing out. My whole new journey, which I've been, trying to document here on YouTube, is just growing it out. And part of that is keeping up with my trim. So here's my new Dyson. This is the first time I'm using it to blow out my hair. This is the heat protectant. I chose Pantene. It's okay, it's whatever, it's a heat protectant. But yeah, so here I am. I decided to blow my hair out to do this trim because it was really necessary. Like, my fingers were getting caught in the ends. I couldn't even get a comb or a brush through it. It was getting bad. So I'm trying to keep up with my trims. I'm really trying to grow my hair back out, and it's doing its thing. I can definitely, do some better treatments and things to my hair, but that's a whole nother video. But yeah, so basically you're just gonna watch me trim my hair for the first time, basically, with the blown out state. And then when I was done blowing out my hair, I just put the sections into little Bantu knots, and I actually ran out and went to Target. So I put this little turban on from You Go Naturals, and I got a Kavita, which is delicious, by the way, if you're into like probiotic drinks. But anyways, so here I am. I'm just showing you my wrap. I love that thing. Oh yeah, here are the scissors I used. That was really fast, but they're just really trimming scissors. As you can see, yeah, I could not get even a comb through those ends. So here are the ends, raggedy. And yeah, I'm just literally grabbing some hair between my fingers and going to the end and snipping. I'm trying to show you guys against the white door there, but there's no really rhyme or reason to this. I'm not really caring about shape. I'm really just trying to get these ends clean, because like we can't have a hair journey with our ends raggedy. It don't work that way. Part of what made this trimming a little difficult, I will say, in this blown out state is my hair is kind of layered. If you saw the pictures from the beginning, the front is longer than the back, so it's in a layered effect. But it was to the point where I was so annoyed with my ends, y'all. I just did not care. I was like, we're cutting. If I see a split end, if I see that it's raggedy and it's not blunt and clean, I'm snipping it. So snip, 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 snip. So I finished one side and moved on to the next side. As you can see here, this is kind of, I was talking about like a layered effect it was doing. And I tried to keep the layer, but I wasn't that pressed for the layer. Like if there's a split end, I'm snipping it, like I said. But anyways, so here I am with it fully, done. I went through every single section and everything like that. At this point, I'm kind of just feeling through my hair, and if my fingers are getting stuck, I'm inspecting that section and I'm still trimming. Also, I'm very prone to single strand knots. I find strands, they love to coil up upon each other. It's a whole thing. So that can be a whole other video. But I did do a search and destroy where I got rid of some of those knots at the ends and things like that. But as I'm recording this voiceover a few days later, I still go through with like a literally like a fine-tooth comb and get the knots out. It's just a very tedious process, and I know how to prevent single strand knots. I'm just being really lazy and hard-headed lately. I don't know. I gotta do better, y'all. So here's the next day. I decided to put my hair into these really chunky braids because I'm into protective styling, pretty heavy, and I pin them to the back of my head. And then I throw on this amazing wig cap. But no, I have this amazing headband wig that I've had for, oh my God, it's been 2 years now. I've had this headband wig. I need to get some more. Look at it. It looks perfectly fine. And it's like 2 years old. So I washed it, conditioned it, all that cute stuff, detangled it, cut it down, and I just throw it on top of these braids. And this is probably one of my favorite protective styles. I do have a video coming up next week or soon where I'm telling you guys every single protective style I've tried and which ones are definitely the best for hair growth. So this is definitely top 3, just a heads up. But all right, you guys, that's it. That's my trimming routine. Please subscribe if you guys want to keep up with me in this hair growth journey as I grow my hair out. And please like this video if you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.